Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to view product analytics on Gumroad. So viewing product analytics on Gumroad lets you track the performance of each product individually, sales, revenue, and customer behavior. Okay, so to do that you will need to first go with gumroad.com website on your browser, then just sign in with your accounts and click on the dashboard button that's located at the top right corner afterward. So right here on the dashboard, I do really want you just to go and click on the analytics option, the option that's located in left-hand menu. So once you click it, you will see right here the total sales, the units sold, top selling products, monthly revenue trends, customer metrics, etc. Okay, so you will need to go with the select products option, that's one, and then just choose the product that you want to see its analytics. Okay, so for example I will go with that one, then just go with toggle selected. Okay, to select the orders if you want, so that's a trick. So you can go to toggle selected again to go with that specific products, and here you will be able to view the units sold of that product, the sales over time, the customer metrics, the traffic sources, and affiliates performance of that specific one. Okay, also you can filter it by date. Okay, so you can filter the data by date from here, so you can go with, for example, last 30 days. Okay, or even a custom range from here, so you can set it yourself by clicking on that calendar icon. All right, from 2, and compare the performance across multiple products to see which one performs best. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.